Hello everyone, welcome to Africa Not Food. I hope everybody is well. We are doing well as well. So today we are going to make our homemade gari from scratch. So we have our cassava here, also known as yuca, cassava, banchi, yes, that we are going to use for our gari. So first we're going to peel it and wash it and blend it. So here I'm going to take the skin off. Okay, it's simple and easy to do. It's not difficult at all. All right, and take the skin and remove the core from the inside and straight in the water. All right, okay, next one, the same thing, take the skin off. Right. Okay, this one is a bit stubborn. Why it's going down, skin is going down. After cutting it, taking the skin off, I washed it. Now I'm going to cut it into small pieces and leave it in my blender. So this is how I'm going to cut it small. If you have a strong blender, you can cut it any piece of your choice. But if you have a blender that's really not really powerful, make sure you cut it into very fine pieces. So this is it after cutting them to small fine pieces. Now I'm going to blend it into very nice pasty dough. Yeah. Okay, so I forgot to mention you need water in there. So I'm going to add a bit of water into it, like half a cup of water. All right, that's enough. Okay, so now we're going to blend it. So this is the blending part, we finish. So now we have this cloth here, a very fine cloth that we're going to put our mixture in. All right. Okay. Put everything in there and try and squeeze it a bit. Okay, not too much. Squeeze it a bit, and then we are going to leave it for 2-3 days to ferment. And then we can do our gari. All right. Okay. So this everything in here. Look at that. See this? So proper juicy. Try to squeeze a bit of water from it. You got out from the cassava here. Okay, I'm going to leave this down because I want the starch underneath to do something else. So I'll leave this one on the side. And this one, I have a bit of water in there, not squeeze everything. So I'm going to leave this here, there, like that, on top of my bowl. And then I'm going to put something heavy on top of it and leave it to ferment. All right. Okay, we're going to leave this to ferment for 3 days for the gari. Yeah. Okay, and so this is how our fermented cassava for our gari look like. I hope to taste it. Oh yeah, is it fermented? So we're going to squeeze the rest of the water out and start doing our garlic. Yeah. So we still got a lot of liquid in there, so I'm just going to use this kitchen cloth, yeah, and I'm going to squeeze it bit by bit until it's all done. All right, so this is how I'm going to do it. I'm going to squeeze it. There's not much water though. Liquid. then be careful, because when it's not dry enough, your garlic is going to be very it will come like a dough, which is not what we're looking for. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to squeeze the whole thing into a finish. So this is how much liquid I have from the garlic, the cassava. Yeah, squeeze and everything. This is how it looks. So I'm going to separate it now and see. I have my strainer here, which is quite big, but it's okay, we'll separate them. So I'll put bit by bit here, like that. Okay, so in Ghana they have something like a sieve that they use to separate the dough. Yeah, because these are crumbed together, so they have to come into like that. See? So this is a gari. This is how it is. Alright? Okay. So we're going to do the whole thing and we start doing our gari. I'm so excited doing gari. This is the first time doing gari. Okay, so this is the end parts. So now I'm going to leave it to dry a tiny bit, like 10 to 15 minutes before I can start doing my garlic. Yeah? Alright, leave it on the side here. So this is it after 15 minutes. So I have put my pan, my frying pan, on my stove, and the heat is low, very low. Make sure your heat is low. Don't do it high because it will burn your gari. Okay? So just do it, don't do too much as well. Do bit by bit. So I'm going to do 2 spoons here. That's it. Okay. And make sure you stir until it comes to gari crispy as you want. Yeah. Stir until you know you become really dry, but not burn. So it's all coming together now. Yeah, look how nice it looks. We are going to have gari. Ooh, proper gari. So it's not done yet because you can see. Yeah, when it's done, you will hear, when I do this, you will hear the noise of the garlic falling. Okay. Still going on. So now you can tell, look our gari, look at how it looks. Look at that. You can hear the noise. Yes, see, this is proper garlic. So this is the first one. So we're going to finish the whole of the rest. Okay, so this is our garlic. This is our last one that we're going to add into it. That's it. So see, our garlic is done nicely. Oh, it tastes really good. I'm so happy. I'm so proud of myself. I'm gonna give myself a thumbs up. It's really nice. Nicely done. Look at this. Come close. Look at that. Look at this. Beautiful. So I'm going to put this on the side for it to cool down, and maybe I'll have soakings with it, or I'll have beans and plantain with it, and then that's it. You can eat with anything you want. Look at that. Make your own. Thanks for coming today. Hope to see you again. Like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you. Bye.